Hi guys, good evening po sa inyong lahat. Pasko na po dito sa amin. Yan ang aking Christmas light. Hello, hello. Good evening po sa inyong lahat. Welcome to my live. Good evening po. Yan po ang aking mga Christmas light. Advance Merry Christmas po. Hello, hello, hello. Beautiful people in the world. Mary's boy child, Jesus Christ, was born on Christmas Day, and man will live forevermore because of Christmas Day. We see a bright new shining star. Hear a choir sing a song. At langit angels sing, aking